So a bit of hot pepper to blend with the beans, yeah.
I'm a
This is Okoro. And then we check levels. Mamma mia.
Obeda.
Okoro. Yeah, it is what it is. I say, it's been when Joe. Yeah. Too much happiness. Yeah, food happiness. Yeah. Okoro. So this is BANKU with beef stew and some hot pepper mixed with it. Now, this is bistec or pork anyway, but it's been done in a different way. I slice them. Yeah. Wow.
I am a
It's just some offending. It's not many. It's not much. Anyway, something small for the boys. This is something small for the boys. Yeah. I can't even eat these days. Nowadays, I can't even eat something small. Anyway, something small that I'm full. It's a very small thing. I'll be full right now. Man, African food. So how y'all doing, brothers, sisters? Yeah. This is hot afternoon. It's not even afternoon. It's 11:30. It's 11:30 a.m. and I'm having something small, like something small. It's not that much. So you can also do only the bean stew without the meat. Oh, I didn't invite you. Sorry. You are invited. Anyway, you are invited, but no more because it's something small. Awesome. You are invited, but you can't eat some. I'm now done. Anyway, I'm done with no coffee or something small for the boys. No. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is trying to see the papa. I'm off my good beer. The club with my kind there. So you'll be into Mrs. You need appetite. I do show them video. You be appetite instant. Or instant healing. You know, or then tap the appetite anointing. Tap the anointing, yeah. So shizzle my nizzle,